Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from BitMart to MEXC in a simple and easy way. Whether you're moving funds for trading or investing, this step-by-step tutorial has got you covered. Let's get started. Launch the BitMart app and navigate to the Assets tab at the bottom. Tap Withdraw to start transferring your crypto. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For this guide, I'm selecting USDT. A pop-up will appear. Tap Send via Crypto Network. Here, you paste your deposit address from MEXC. Now, open your MEXC app. By the way, if you haven't registered on MEXC Global, check the video description for the sign-up link to register and get up to 8,000 USDT in beginner rewards. On the homepage, tap Deposit. Select Deposit Crypto as the method. Choose the same token, which is USDT. Pick the network. I'll use BSC, BNB Smart Chain. You can either scan the QR code or copy the deposit address. Switch back to the BitMart app. Paste your MEXC deposit address here. Make sure the network is the same, which is BSC, BNB Smart Chain. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. The withdrawal fee for BSC is 0 USDT, which is great. Tap Withdraw. Review the transaction details carefully. Then tap Confirm. Complete security verification. Great, my withdrawal request has been submitted. Now, we wait for the funds to arrive in MEXC.
A few minutes later.
After a few minutes, I checked my MEXC account and the deposit was successfully received. And that's it. That's how you transfer crypto from BitMart to MEXC safely and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, leave a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss my future cryptocurrency guides. See you in the next one.